Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime. This evening I am Daedran. Incarcerated dancehall artist Vybz Kartel and his co-convicts Shawn, Kahira Jones and Andre St. John have been granted tentative dates set for April 2024 at the Privy Council in the United Kingdom to hear main arguments in the quartet's appeal. Shawn's lawyer Bert Samuels, who filed the appeal back in April of 2014, confirmed with E-Prime this morning that his team heard from the Privy Council yesterday and were granted the tentative dates.
The team got notice yesterday that tentative dates have been set for April 16th, 17th, and 18th of next year. Literally 2.5 days has been set aside. As we have said, it's tentative. We're hoping that it will in fact be confirmed because it is past a decade since the appellants have been in custody. And we still have faith that justice will be done and we'll get the results that we think we've worked hard for and which the accused men deserve.
We hope that they will have their day in court. We have very interesting grounds in the Privy Council which have never yet been considered. Some of them have to do with jury management by the judge. Some of them have to do with how you manage a jury which has had a tainted person on the jury, accused of, as it were, influencing the other jurors with money. And those are issues of great public importance.
The 4 men were sentenced to life in prison on April 3 in 2014 for the murder of Clive Lizard Williams, believed to be over 2 missing guns. Now, on February 15, the Privy Council denied new evidence which were later filed, noting that Kartel's cell phone was tampered with while in police custody. Vybz Kartel was sentenced to 35 years before being eligible for parole. It was later reduced to 32 years following the appeal. Now to these rumors on the Don Dada Supercat. Well, he's alive and well. Fans of dancehall's lyrical Don Dada Supercat were saddened when a video surfaced claiming that the prolific artist had passed away. The Prime team can confirm that the artist is very much alive and well and was traveling from Atlanta heading to New York when the video surfaced. Supercat performed over the weekend in Canada at Reggae to the East, and he was well received. Now, Supercat rose to fame in the 1980s and is known for hits like Whoops, Get Rid That, Mud Up, and Them No Worry. Now, onto the international scene, rap mogul Drake announces new music with the rap queen, Nicki Minaj. The rap star, who is currently on his It's All a Blur tour, announced on stage in Detroit over the weekend that he has new music coming out with his Young Money label mate, Nicki Minaj. Now, he said, I'm gonna have to tell you that me and Nicki did our first song together like in a really long time. I got a lot of love for her. End quote. The two reunited back in 2021 on Nicki's track Seeing Green, which also features their mentor Lil Wayne. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.